Seaborn showing scientific notation and heat map for 3-digit numbers. I'm creating a heat map from a pandas pivot _ table as below. It creates a heat map as shown below. You can see the numbers are not huge, max 750, but it's showing them in scientific notation. If I view the table itself, this is not the case. Any idea on how I could get it to show the numbers in plain notation?
According to the docs, the param FMT equals 0.2 grams is being applied because you set onNote equals true, so you can modify the format being applied to.
According to the docs, the parameter FMT is set to 0.2 grams when A0 equals true. So, for example, if your data is float, you can use. By that, you're telling Python to show 3 significant figures. To understand the FMT better, check out this answer, this URL.
For big integer numbers, I'm big fan of FMT equals $D for the thousands separators.
If you want to see more, please subscribe.